Hello, my cute subscribers. How are you all? Today I'm here with a very cute Valentine's Day decorative idea, and this is a very cute heart. This is a very beautiful rosy heart, and you will need a heart-shaped wooden cardboard, or you can take the wooden cardboard, you can say, or chickboard, you can say, you can take it. And this is the paper glue you will need, and this is the paper crepe paper you will need. And you will also cut the strips about 4 centimeter from the both sides, and then you will measure it, you will cut it 4 centimeter from the upside and the downside. So after making a square piece, you will start pasting it with the help of a brush or any stick you have. So just apply the glue, or there are 2 ways to apply this frill. And you can twist the square piece like this, twist it and apply it on the heart, or you can apply it like, you can hold the square piece like this, you can twist it and then apply paper glue and then paste it on your heart piece. So this is very easy. This is a very cute idea for your Valentine's or your wedding anniversary decoration. So I hope you will like it, and keep watching the video, and please share the video. So you will keep pasting these frills. You can say, I will call it like it's a petal, it's like rose petals. So just keep pasting with the help of paper glue, and this is the way you will fill it. You will cover all the heart piece with these red rosy petals made from crepe paper. And yeah, I really want to say happy Valentine's Day to everyone, every subscriber and all the people. Okay, so guys, you will take some time because it's a little bit time taking task. So but if you really want to decorate your room, your any occasion about your wedding anniversaries or any decorative occasion, you can give it a time. It will look really beautiful heart. So keep pasting, and I'm showing half video and I'm showing half work done, so it will be easy for you to complete it. And my cute anniversary or Valentine heart is ready. So thank you so much for watching the video, and make it and decorate your life, decorate and give surprise to your loved ones and surprise them. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please like and share it. Thank you. Bye bye.